Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your display modes on your Android or Samsung phone. So go to your settings and you want to scroll down to accessibility, tap on that, then you want to click on vision enhancement, and then you will have the display modes at the top there. You have the default one, you have the high contrast one, and you have the large display one. Let me show you what each look like. So by right, as you can see here, my phone is currently in dark mode. So if I click the default one and click apply, it will put it back into light mode. And that's basically the default one. The high contrast one, if I click and apply, it will put the phone into dark mode, right? And the large display one, if I click on that, it will keep it in dark mode but make the fonts a bit larger. And these are the three modes, guys. So if you would like to change your display mode on your Android or Samsung phone, this is how you do it. Now I'm going to put back my phone in the default mode, click and apply, and as you can see, my phone is now in the default mode. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.